Good morning. So today is a Monday. Usually pag Monday nagwo-workout ako. Ngayon mga 1 na. Hindi ako naka-workout ng morning kasi I had to finish some stuff for work. Tapos I have to prepare for my deadlines this week kasi medyo crunch time this week. So I don't know kung makaka-vlog ako ng madami but I will try kasi ang dami kong gagawin para wala akong masyadong iisipin for my quick vacation or birthday break next week. So you'll hear more about it. Kung saan ako pupunta, anong gagawin ko next week for that birthday break that I planned for. So ayun, so ngayon pupunta lang ako ng Remedy for that much needed skincare session. Ang usually kinukuha ko doon Hollywood laser facial para fresh ang kutis, ganyan, radiant, ganyan. Na kahit nagkakaedad na, hindi pa rin mukhang 10 years older than the usual. Not that it's bad, pero maganda rin na alagaan natin yung sarili natin from time to time, right? And yeah, that's it. And yeah, I'll try to document what else that I'll be doing today. So yun lang, self-care and then a little bit of self-care din kasi I'm prioritizing kung ano yung mga kailangan kong matapos para hindi ako ma-stress. So I think self-care yun. Talagang schedule ko. Okay, hello. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, April Fool's Day. Holiday dapat dito sa Maynila sa atin. Kaya lang, meron kaming pasok because sa school calendar namin, it was planned na ang holiday for us was a Monday, March 31. And then yung April 1, meron na rin nakaplanned na mga work-related stuff. So we continued. So parang business as usual for us. Unfortunately naman, medyo hindi lang maganda yung ending ng day to day sa work. So I just got off from work. Nasa may MOA ako now. Meeting them for some quick chill time or parang catharsis lang para magkwentuhan or maglabas nitong mga negative stuff or unfortunate things that has happened today. So let's just say, I won't get into the details, but let's just say we were expecting some news, hopefully sana good results, but then unfortunately, hindi maganda yung results na narinig namin for the whole team. Although hindi ako directly involved dun sa initiative for whatever it is that I'm talking about. So let's just say we're waiting for some results. And then yun nga, hindi nga maganda yung results namin. Although hindi ako part ng initiative for that or the people who were in charge of it or busy with it, I still feel sorry and still feel bad generally for the whole community kasi parang na-feel ko talaga nung sinabi, pak, ito yung results na inaabangan nyo. Hindi maganda. Tapos parang na-feel ko yung parang heaviness, no? Of course, may mga discussions here and there. We have to reflect. Pero for me, yung mga ganitong situations or like anything in life, no? When you're faced with disappointments or unexpected na negative news, you have to feel your feelings, no? Feel bad, feel disappointed. That's okay. We're all entitled to it. But at the same time, after quite some time, kailangan din natin mag-engage sa self-reflection. Bakit kaya? Bakit ganun yung results? Bakit negative yung outcome? Even if we did our best, no? What can I improve? What went wrong? How can I make it better next time? Um, Yun lang, random reflections na yun nga, sometimes you'll feel disappointed talaga. In life, ganoon naman palagi, hindi naman laging masaya, 'di ba? But what defines you as a person is how you deal with it, deal with the disappointments afterwards. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I'll just keep you posted. Sorry, medyo mabigat, but I feel I had to share. Um, Wala, kasi ganun yun eh, 'di ba? I won't just share um, positive things or good things always. I will also share things that are challenging, that I experience, or kasi perhaps baka na-experience mo na rin yun. Um, Hindi mo lang alam uh, na meron ding ibang nakakaramdam ng gano'n. So when dealing with disappointments or negative results or emotions, process it, feel your emotions, but also take some time to uh, pat yourself on your shoulders, because you're still here, 'di ba? You're still fighting and you did your best. And you can always do better next time. That's it. See you later. Backlunch, no? Hello. So it's officially spring break in school. Wala namang spring dito sa Pilipinas, pero parang spring slash Easter break na namin for like 3 weeks, I think. And excited kasi starting next week, I'm going on another trip to celebrate my birthday. Hindi ko pa naman birthday next week, pero parang yun yung gift ko sa sarili ko. You'll know more about it. I'm going to one of my most favorite places that I visit. I think this will be my third time to visit this place. Pero at the same time, I just stressed kasi I have to do three major things. One, kailangan ko pa check up yung dog ko. Kakaroon kasi siya ng hotspots recently. Siguro dahil sa init na rin. And then two, I have to finish a final requirement for one of my grad school subjects, and three, another final requirement for one of my grad school subjects. Although ang submission nun next week pa naman, but I want to finish everything this weekend bago man ako mag-travel, para pagka-travel ko wala na ako iisipin. At the same time, I think I'm around 60-70% done with each of those things. So, kailangan ko lang siyang focusan ng kaunti, bigyan ng kaunting time para mas matapos ko ng maayos. And I'm quite nervous, pero at the end of the day, I feel I did what I can. I feel I gave my best dun sa class. And I'm really doing my best dito sa final output. So, let's see what happens from there. So ayun, just nervous, medyo scared, pero lalaban, go lang. So ngayon, magko-coffee shop lang ako to work on these things, and then perhaps like a quick dinner later para maaga bukas dahil tennis day weekend. That's it. Because I'm focused on working on my schoolwork before ako mag-vacation, I need this. This is from Sweet Ecstasy. My God, looks good. Double cheeseburger. Tapos, yan lang ginagawa ko. Working while watching Avengers Endgame. Finishing everything. I'm done naman with most of my work, pero I really hope I can finish this until tomorrow. Okay, I'm busy working on my final paper for one of my subjects before just finishing touches na lang before I leave for my birthday trip. I have my computer there, and then I have my favorite chips pang pa-energy while nagfo-focus. And I have here my dogs with me. Pero tulog na sila yan. This is how magulo their bed area is. But that's life.